427 small block Ford. Get you running it, everything went good. Give you an explanation of this combination. It's got our cylinder heads on it. It's a multi-point setup. Cleared the manifold for you like you requested. All the fuel management is handled by Holley, Terminator X, real nice setup. Hydraulic roller motor, they have that custom guided by comps. 4340 crank, H-beam rod, custom pistons. It has got the Billet Specialties beautiful front end on it. Go in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, now 3,000's 481 foot-pounds of torque. Peaks torque 515. Peaks horsepower, it looks like 506. We rated 500. It's got a front end on it, so it runs really good. Get in a crate, come your way. Have a great day.